Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today we'll talk about biostatisticians in clinical research. More after the intro.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Clinical trials play a crucial role in advancing medical research and improving patient care. They provide valuable insights into the safety and effectiveness of new treatments and interventions. However, conducting a successful clinical trial requires careful planning, meticulous data analysis, and accurate interpretation of results. This is where biostatisticians come in. In this video, we will explore the key roles and duties of biostatisticians in clinical trials and how their expertise contributes to the success of these studies. What is biostatistics? Biostatistics is the application of statistical methods to biological and medical data. It involves the development, implementation, and interpretation of statistical techniques to analyze and draw meaningful conclusions from complex datasets. Biostatisticians, as experts in this field, play a crucial role in clinical trials by providing statistical guidance throughout the study. A clinical trial typically consists of three main phases: the planning phase, the active phase, and the closeout phase. During each phase, biostatisticians contribute their expertise to ensure the trial is well designed, data collection is accurate, and analysis is robust. Let us have a look at the planning phase. The planning phase is the initial stage of a clinical trial, starting from the conception of the idea to just before the recruitment of the first patient. Biostatisticians have a significant impact on the structure and objectives of the study during this phase. They work closely with the research team to define the trial's objectives, determine the endpoints, and decide on the sample size and treatment arms. Their involvement in the planning phase helps optimize resources, maximize the success probability, and ensure the trial's scientific rigor. Let us go on with the active phase. The active phase of a clinical trial begins with the recruitment of the first patient and ends when all trial participants have completed the study. Biostatisticians play a vital role in monitoring the ongoing trial, making decisions that may impact the analysis, and conducting interim analyses if necessary. They collaborate with the research team to set up case report forms and ensure data collection is standardized and accurate. Biostatisticians also contribute to the development of a statistical analysis plan, which outlines the technical details of the trial analysis. Let us now have a look at the closeout phase. The closeout phase includes all activities after all participants have completed the trial. During this phase, biostatisticians perform a final check of the data and ensure that all preconditions for analysis are met. They collaborate with the device statistician to analyze the data using validated software such as SAS. The results are then interpreted and documented in a clinical study report, which is reviewed by the biostatistician to verify the accuracy of the interpretations. See what is the importance of early involvement of biostatisticians. Traditionally, biostatisticians were involved in clinical trials only after the data had been collected. However, there is a growing recognition of the importance of their early involvement in the planning phase. By including a biostatistician from the beginning, trial sponsors can benefit from their expertise in study design, endpoint selection, and sample size determination. This early involvement can save time and resources and increase the likelihood of a successful and meaningful trial. Let us talk about biostatisticians and study design. Study design is a critical aspect of any clinical trial. It involves making important decisions about the structure of the study, the allocation of participants to treatment groups, and the selection of appropriate endpoints. Biostatisticians play a crucial role in guiding these decisions based on their statistical expertise. Let us have a look at objective definition. The first step in study design is defining the objective of the trial. This may involve choosing one or multiple options, depending on the research question. Biostatisticians work closely with the research team to determine the most appropriate objective that will result in a successful and meaningful trial. Let us go on with endpoint selection. Endpoints are the variables or outcomes used to measure the effectiveness of a treatment or intervention. Biostatisticians advise on the selection of endpoints that are objectively measurable and clearly defined. These endpoints serve as the basis for statistical analysis and are critical in determining the success of the trial. Let us talk about sample size determination. Sample size is a crucial factor in clinical trial design. It affects the statistical power of the study and determines the number of participants needed to detect a meaningful treatment effect. Biostatisticians use statistical techniques to calculate the optimal sample size, taking into account factors such as the desired level of significance, effect size, and anticipated dropout rate. By determining the appropriate sample size, biostatisticians help optimize the costs, logistics, and duration of the trial. What about randomization and interim analysis? Biostatisticians also play a role in decisions regarding randomization and interim analysis. Randomization ensures that participants are assigned to treatment groups in an unbiased manner, minimizing the potential for confounding factors. Interim analysis allows for the examination of trial data at predefined intervals to assess treatment efficacy or safety. Biostatisticians provide guidance on the use and type of randomization and the necessity of interim analysis. Let us go on with biostatisticians and data analysis. Data analysis is a crucial step in any clinical trial. It involves the statistical examination of trial data to draw meaningful conclusions. Biostatisticians contribute their expertise throughout the analysis process to ensure accurate and reliable results. Let us have a look at the statistical analysis plan. Before the analysis can begin, a statistical analysis plan, SAP, is developed. The SAP outlines the statistical methods that will be used to analyze the data and defines the primary and secondary endpoints. It also describes any subgroup analyses, sensitivity analyses, or exploratory analyses that will be conducted. Biostatisticians collaborate with the research team to develop the SAP, ensuring that the analysis is conducted in a statistically rigorous manner. Let us talk about data monitoring and interim analysis. During the active phase of the trial, biostatisticians monitor the data to ensure data quality and integrity. They may conduct interim analyses to assess the accumulating evidence and make informed decisions regarding trial continuation, modification, or early termination. These interim analyses help ensure patient safety and maintain scientific integrity. Let us not forget statistical software and analysis. Biostatisticians use specialized statistical software, such as SAS, to analyze clinical trial data. These software packages are validated for use in clinical trials and provide a wide range of statistical techniques for data analysis. Biostatisticians are proficient in using these tools to perform various statistical analyses, including descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and survival analysis. In conclusion, biostatisticians play a vital role in the success of clinical trials. Their expertise in study design, data analysis, and interpretation of results ensures that trials are well designed, data is accurately collected, and results are reliable. By involving biostatisticians from the planning phase, trial sponsors can optimize resources, maximize the success probability, and ultimately contribute to the advancement of medical research. The collaboration between biostatisticians and the research team is crucial in conducting rigorous and meaningful clinical trials that have a positive impact on patient care. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. We look forward to see you next time.